Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin with safety and access. Wear gloves and eye protection, then support the bike or car securely with stands. Once safe, remove the wheel or fork clamp to expose the preload cap. Use the correct socket, do not force rounded fasteners, engage securely. Make sure to note original preload settings or mark the assembly so you can restore alignment. Once done, you're ready to unthread the cap. Proceed slowly to avoid stripping threads or losing small shims. You now relieve tension gradually. Use a spring compressor or spanner to hold the spring so the preload loses load safely. Then, turn the preload cap counterclockwise in quarter to half turn increments. Pause and recheck tension frequently. Once the cap backs out, lift it straight off while supporting internal components so they don't fall. Make sure to collect shims bags, and any rubber seals, and lay them out in order. This preserves reassembly orientation, and you reassemble by reversing steps. Clean mating surfaces, replace any worn seals or O-rings, and lightly lubricate with the manufacturer-approved grease. Once aligned, thread the cap down until it meets specs, then torque to the specified value while monitoring spring preload to match your recorded setting. After reinstallation, test travel and ride height gently. Press the suspension and inspect for leaks or binding. If you hear clunks or see fluid, stop. Recheck spacer order, seal seating, and torque. Most issues come from misaligned parts or inadequate sealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.